He's going to take tight, probably, and just never
Congressman Underwood to see you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks for coming, Frank. Please.
Will the President-elect be joining us today?
Oh, no, he told me to apologize on his behalf. Something came up.
Oh, I see.
But I'll brief him on everything.
Well, as I mentioned last night, I thought it would be a good idea to start formulating the administration's foreign policy platform prior to my nomination. I think it's a good idea for us to start with the Middle East. Now,
Frank,
I think...
I'm going to stop you right there.
I'm sorry?
We're not nominating you for Secretary of State. I'm sorry, I know we made you a promise, but things have changed.
I'm afraid I don't understand.
The President-elect has thought long and hard, and he's decided that we need you to stay in Congress.
You promised me. I got 8 conservative Democrats to endorse him. I was personally responsible for raising $2 million in contributions, Linda. You can't tell me at this point.
And the President-elect is grateful for everything you've done. We wouldn't have won without you. But now it's time to lead. And that means making tough choices. First order of business, education reform. Overhaul completely at the federal level. We want you in the House doing what you know best, whipping up votes.
I paid my dues, Linda. I deserve this.